area flee the Black Queens of Ghana. And I say Afcon and so no Eguswa Ecoso Mamba one from semi-final games, Ecoso Kaunus Nigeria is South Africa born economy no South African so Sakano want to me anti Elhonomide San Common and so to me air bantino the tier Nigeria South Africa Erenon some Ramanon so no Abuan Nigerian so no Kwakobo grand finale Samson Morocco and Ghana came no Epi 1-1. Now after the game, what I say we say up 1-1 watch just 90 minutes. A couple extra time so now 1-1 anyway or extra time didn't travel into penalty 4-2 and then just say Morocco so no advance into the grand finale. Edmund said no and so atumi Bama Niama in atumi across into grand finale no Airbus so Sunday. Now sanum the host nation Morocco the owners of Africa Nigeria unin seven women's football Africa Nigeria no one control entine urama what I say urama na sano 26th of July na cycle no and so atimi eba so bra Morocco ebo atimi area Nigeria ye de san common eba ma bia no and so atimi akoso e ama oye chimadie no asona South Africa from omaniable omo say as Nigeria for ya jama piano no aboso because akokoba say unin say 2024 memman Afcon na akoso oye chase no every coast no ekoba no say Nigeria and South Africa and Frima or the Jad and Edison and so enti and answer Orimo grand finale and Roa and Mama on so South Africa Mama area frame Abraham our grand finale in Takoba Nigeria first and answer South Africa first answer Amapiano in Nigeria for Ayajabos Moya Jabos because they in there to know Moana Chessa Mo control Bibia in Tamane and Ibran so to me about South Africa so Combia also making sure Muna Chasamon Sonom ama Nigeria so atimi afaya sha minimum sana and so atimi eba yentu aswe na yeni nkomo entumi emfa amount na yenkodia Kimlas a head coach at the Black Queens of Ghana Kimlas and then some tuja as chase no crepa ayomi ese I was someone soon disappointed and I was someone soon what I say sad because born and no no se kumutimi fanwen eritia Morocco nimum reno antimi amayenko nienko teams to Kimlas edituja.
Yeah, of course I understand your question and but here now we have been talking about to be a little bit of the underdog in this tournament to surprise all of the other teams, and I think we did, but our goal had always been in this group to win the goal, and we can't be closer to go to the final. So here now I think we need to be disappointed, we need to cry a little bit and maybe take one day and just rest and let us be disappointed, and then of course we need up on the horse again and go for the last game in the tournament. But here and now I think we need to be a little bit sad and disappointed. And we have so many people that I know that follow us in Ghana, and I know the girls have worked so hard to make them proud as well and do it for them, and so I know it means a lot for many people. So we need to be a little bit disappointed here and now.
Okay, no, Kimlas, head coach, the Black Queens of Ghana. And I want to Kasam, I didn't summon to Jana Kimlas, I didn't send me at so now unin say we the first ever Afghan Kimlas and soon our coach, I didn't some to Ja at the found, oh, yeah, no, Kimlas, I didn't send me a Sansom to Ja, HMO at the Abasbo Aquadama, the host nation Morocco, San Juan so much me far in, and now so my qualification into a grand finale against Ghana.
To be here, my first AFCON. I think well organized from the home country here so far, so nothing to complain over when it comes to those kind of things. There are so many talented players in Africa, especially some of the attacking players, maybe potentially some of the best players in the world. So it's great to be a part of it. I know there are so many people that are watching our games, and I have messages from the US, from Europe, from China, from everywhere, like every day, that they are talking about our players and opponent players and of course, this is a great chance for the players to show how good they are, and I'm happy that many of my did a great job in this tournament, and we're going to try to push for the last one as well. But
okay, no, I came last now. Watching Kano na came last. We are very proud of the girls in the performance. And what among so ultimate na tuning sa and what girls in the Juma born here. Came last, the girls in the Undo to me be an Rena and Amma. Now, or say, who said no, no, me the better team. Oh, just say came across no send come and I win a side came no. Name watch as Reno and Amma no piece going forward no and never go ye. And the Black Queens of Ghana. Young Colin coach and my Black Queens came last.
Again, so proud over the girls. They work so hard. I mean, we were talking about our fatigue level before the game because we had 1 day less for recovery than Morocco. We also had 1 day of traveling. So, at the end of the day, it was really tough to start with. But I mean, and then we play another 120 minutes a day, and they do it so well. And I think we are the better team in this game, and I think we deserve the win. You can see it when it comes to expected goals that we have a 2.21 against a team that is under 1 goal, and that's a normal win. But we were a little bit unlucky today. But again, I can't be more proud than over the girls how hard they work today.
Okay, I know our head coach came last night. So I know joking and some of the Altutra. Yanko ene Chelsea sports minister. Edema now salon ayo man kron Ghana. Eden some Altutra honorable Kofi Adams. Ono ochemu say or the abasibo eko ediama ayo Chelsea no ayo Black Queens emaba wanom girls no ayo de ombetumi watch as your performance anu girls no eden adia na for the abasibo sonko konsom atumi ede amaye emaba wana yedemo ansam no enso atumi boni ansama na salon sports minister ayo honorable Kofi Adams ede tutwa yedemo so ma na Kumasi Ansandi Kodoko boys na lande ewo South Africa Johannesburg unin samo kokobo Toyota Cup edi atiam aya Chasano aya Kaizer Chiefs aya Senketwa na no boys na Kwalandia what I say omo prepare for the game we chese baba ya ene show no no utumu se adwuma ne de ombe kwampoku agige kamya kasa agige what so no so na se chwa ma o hwe na sesenya Senketwa kra Edemon Sano, and so at Eba. Now, oh, Petimba Kwa, this is an answer, some all your business, but answer all your silence. Tomorrow, be an answer, Utmun said, go to Sikanabampa, and go to Sikanaba. Say, oh, call be an answer, duck out to a menu can say, no, your sister dug out to, you know, may say, sir, you be that yet, whom come up. May that go for report to Namiaba. Moon study and number 1 city, study among a boy, and Ferry answer, get to a cry. And new signing. Just what Johnny Adriana says, Charles Kamara Jumpy. Yes, Adriana said new signing, and I don't know. Charles Adriana says new signing, Charles Kamara Jumpy. And so I join Adriana said from the beginning, go Sasia. And yan some Ketredemons and no, and so at Timmy Eba. And one my demo update in the Eba, Brantaway, attacking midfooter. About to say young control, just strikers, nature one man, but me proper. And my name, you know, some to me, a cost a report, I'm in second. And it's a 2 years contract, and I was saying for the Madrid Stars plus 1 year optional. It is some common, and so to me, now Mizak a free year, the champion striker, and now we're joining Toma Abiana Stars. Mizak a free year, oh no, and that was Queen Sonom. I branch away, I strike Kadama, Becum Chelsea, we're joining Toma Abiana Stars. Menu Eka said report, I'm in second, 3 years contract, and a Mizak a free year, Sonom, Dayan sign, and the Ama Toma Abiana Stars, Yedemon Samana, to men so but Mizak a free year, fire boy. Yede hon semni na so to Germany ma ina no atumen so akọ so Sarich amna no akọ yerem na yemedi nkoma ne ma ina no entumi enko so emfa emau wacha se na bia entumi nko so for Black Queens eto so eno a adawo sem enso no atumi ampa yentumi enrem kan finale na nka yepe jollof derby kana yan Senketwa kasiri be se kuro Nigeria sen pa nya Senketwa mo ko fo pa ma ni po yepe jollof derby na mama yakulu so ate no Suban Maniatono. Well, say, who said the name Pana? Then what me who say honorable Kofi Adams, Alando Morocco, and Yebelu Supe. Idea about quap, ye chili crano, say ye book game na, ye punning for your peace. ene ye ministers ya wodo na be piepie mo ho ene ye be hwehwere mo lu sisi abugo nu ase ye tasi ntini se u pese Black Queens announce Black Stars winning game de mawa the best na be ne se wo tise game no koso a ba bia game no koso no kra nka me ho ombo wi ana se wa baso bia de akomom ne mo be po na tab mbembe wo no mu wo o mbelu sisi